Hey, did you know that the Belgian draft horse is the strongest horse in the world? And it can pull by itself 7,400 pounds. So you think if you take two Belgian draft horses, they're going to be able to pull 15,000 pounds. That's not true. They can actually pull 24,000 pounds together when they're working together. A more amazing part of the story is you take those two same Belgian draft horses and you train them together for a year. They don't pull 24,000 pounds. They actually pull 32,000 pounds. And so I love that story because it's such an incredible story of community and team building. And what happens when we put down the competition walls and we come together and we work together as a team and we train together, how much more can we accomplish? So that's why I joined Skool.com and I've built my own community called Grow Online Community. It's all about networking like-minded individuals, marketers, business owners, people that are passionate and want to monetize their skills and your passion. It's all about us coming together, just like those horses, coming together to align, amplify, and accelerate our business, scale our business and our time so we can serve our families, create generational wealth, create the time freedom that we desire so we can be present at home. We can create systems that work for us while we're sleeping, and you don't have to trade time for money. I'm so tired of hearing time is money, time is money. Time is not money, and the world wants us to believe that trading time for money is the best use of our time, and I want to tell you that it's not, and it's actually easier to make money that's not tied to time. So I want to teach how to leverage the system to create money for you while you're sleeping. You can step away from your business and it still generate for you. And it's just so freeing. Can you imagine how freeing that would be to have systems working for you while you're sleeping, while you're fishing, while you're spending time with your kids and your family? I want to show you how in this community. And man, just not only are you going to learn that, are you going to learn leadership skills? Are you going to learn how to create systems in your business? Are you going to learn tax strategies that are going to save you thousands? Or investment strategies that's going to set your kids and your family up for generational wealth, but you're going to be able to do it together with a community of like-minded people that are going through the same struggles that you are. They're going to have the same question that you may have, or have a question you haven't even thought of, and because you're in the same community, they ask the question and you benefited from it. It's going to be incredible, and I can't wait to see you in there.